I'm in love with the pain. Don't you know I'm what? Don't you know I'm I don't feel alive in the middle. High low, I'm high low. I don't feel alive in the middle. Not even just a little bit back forth. I've been smoking, drinking, smoking, drinking. I've been doing what I should until my mind ain't thinking. And it's good, cause it's bad. Cuts and it kills, but I'm sick of how it feels. Don't you know I'm hurting on purpose? Don't you know I'm hurting on purpose? Lately though that shit isn't working. Had enough of the pain. Don't you know I'm